Fish. Decent rainbow, he's just fighting good. Finally. Took a little bit to get one. Rainbow. Nice rainbow. You fly big. Warm. Nice rainbow. Get him back in. And release. Two for a day. Not bad fish. Get him released. Very nice rainbow. I don't know if this is the fish stealing my bait or what. Oh, it might be. He's not that big. Nice rainbow again. I don't know if he was the one stealing my bait or what, but I'm gonna get him back in. Nice fish. Oh, kneel it. I don't know if I'm gonna get this guy. I didn't really hook him that good, I think. Oh, he's head shaking like crazy. There you go. Nice one. Very nice fish. The probably biggest of the day. Not a big normal sized trout, but you know what I mean. Get him unhooked and released real quick. Is he unhooked? He is unhooked. Perfect. Told you he wasn't hooked really that good at all. Probably about get nice in the sunlight. Nice 13-incher. There he goes. Back into the abyss. It was all screwed up. There we go. It's a nice one too. He's holding that current. Oh, another rainbow. Usually he gets brooks here, but not really this year so far. I came with my cousin, nothing. We got ground, but no brookies. People probably wipe them out. Oh, very finicky hits though. Not your typical like dun 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 dun. Like very like. There we go. Nice rainbow. Nice rainbow. They're all about the same size. At 12, you know, 13 inches. I'm gonna get him back in. Nice fish. I only got one. I missed quite a few today. I got clear water. I think it might be a brown. Brown. Yep. Good. I get him in. Get him. First brown today. Yeah, I got quite a few today. I mean, I missed quite a few today. Honestly, I would have had a quite... Look, he barely hooked. Nice pretty brown. I'm gonna get him in the sun. Nice brown. Get him back in. Nice. It's a one. This is the biggest one today. I didn't even feel him hit it. Look how clear it is. Wow, he's a nice trout. That's a nice one. A little bigger one. That's number 7 for today. But again, this could have been like number... I think his hook's out. No, hook is in him. He's actually hooked pretty good. Yep. Yep, there we go. Nicest trout of the day, for sure. All live bait today. Oh yeah. Nice trout. Cool. Nice trout. Nice trout. This fish, honestly. This water's so clear. I mean, that's why they're finicky. It's a neat looking trout, actually. Oh, little guy. Well, no, not that little. Average sized trout. It's 8. Almost 10. Rainbow. Nice rainbow. Get him back in. Head first. Nice. Hit that really hard. It's a decent one. I'm on that rock. He's just fighting good. Definitely the biggest of the day. I can't even see this thing. There we go. A little bigger one. Not bad. Oh yeah. That's the nicest one of the day for sure. In the sunlight. Huh. Where's my freaking net? This is a nice trout. The nicest one by far. There we go. That's 10. That's not a nice one.
Like that's a good eater.
Yeah. Show him. A nice trout there. Nice 15-incher. Nice. Another one. Right, pretty much right after that one. Make sure it's recording. Yeah, another nice one. Yeah. Oh my god, I almost freaking fell in. There you go. Very nice. That's 11. Damn, I didn't think I was going to get 11. There he is. All right, guys, that is it for today. A very productive day today. 11 fish caught. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to make a video today. I didn't think I was even going to do that good at all. But overall, the fish were very finicky. I mean, very, very finicky. Usually, trout with live bait, you'll feel them all the time. I barely felt them. It's almost like fishing for bass. You barely, like when bass are finicky, like you barely feel them on your jig or drop shot. Like it just, they're very, very finicky. Like they're just on there almost. Like I said, like bass or something, like with a small jig. But overall, really good day. Caught a couple nice ones at the end. I actually lost some nice ones too at the end. I hooked them and they just popped off. Like I said, very finicky. But overall, good day. Mostly, I think I got only one brown today. So one brown today. Good day. Nice rainbows. And yeah, hopefully I can go into the river. I'm doing very, very good today. I mean, this trout season is my best by far. By far my best trout season. But overall, good day. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.